disconnect. Hey you, if you're watching me now, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't mind my face. I just woke up not too long ago and I'm about to take shower. But before going to shower, I always do a wash routine. And I'm about to use this product I received from this company. I made a video on unboxing this. If you haven't seen that, you might want to take a look at it. In that video, I promised to make another video on how I'm using this set. This is the one I used to use, and this is the one I received. So let's go ahead. And I have some dark spot, as you can see, and I'm dealing with acne right now, so I have my acne product routine. I'm not showing that today. The purpose of this video is just to show you how I'm using this skincare. For my face wash routine, I always wet my face before applying my product. So once applying the product, that's when I start using this old skincare I have, but this is the new one. So let me put this set together. I will be using this and the base, and this base right here, it take 4 AA battery. I already put battery in, so all you have to do is connect the top to the base, and it has a switch here on and off. So let me turn this on. You see, it will give you a deep cleaning and open your pores in order for you to apply whatever face cream or whatever treatment you use for your face. Because you know what, if you apply something on your face and your pores are not open, it will not work. So this gives you a deep cleaning, and this company right now is doing a 70% off. I will leave the code in my description bar so you can check them out. It's really cheap. It's not that expensive. The one I used to have was really expensive, but this one, the price is reasonable for everybody. So you just, you know, deep clean your face. You can use this brush for exfoliating, you can use it for cleansing, and they also have the big top for the body or feet or whatever part of your body you want to use it for. So yeah, it will give you a deep cleaning. So this is what I do every morning, every evening before I go to bed, and apply my acne or dark spot product. I use this to open my pores. Once I do this, I just go straight into shower, rinse my face out, and take a shower. Then that's it. And go with my daily routine treatment. It feels so good. It's really soft. Oh my goodness. I feel like, and at the same time, it's massaging your face. And you can also use it for your lips if you're doing a lips treatment. Oh my goodness, I love this. I really love it, I'm telling you. And whenever I do this, I leave the product on for about 5 minutes before rinse it out. This is really soft. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you next time, peace out.